welcome back again to our continuation with our lecture class for lesson number 1, module number 3, lesson number 1, which is percent measure content in Moodle. Now let us go directly to our focus for this lesson, which is percent measure content determination using the formula. Now if you look at your handouts or your module, you have there water. So percent moisture content, the total amount of water in a given piece of wood is called the moisture content. The moisture content considers the weight of free and hygroscopic water only, because during the drying process, the ones that being removed is only the free water and the hygroscopic or bound or imbibed water. The water constitution or elemental water is disregarded as it is not significant and could not significantly affect the weight of wood when it is removed, and it cannot be removed by just normally drying the wood. You need to do the destructive distillation in order to get your water constitution or elemental water. Anyways, the general formula for percent moisture content determination is equals to percent MC is equals to weight of water in wood over here. Is the general formula, formula number 3. Kikita na to. That's the general formula of wood. Of percent moisture content determination, M is moisture content is equal to weight of water over oven dry wood, weight of the oven dry wood times 100. Or you can also illustrate it as weight of water is equal to weight at WM or weight at particular moisture content. Kaya ang atong moisture content, weight particular moisture content, mag-vary ang kabugaton sa imong kahoy depende sa percent moisture na available sa imong kahoy. It could be 1%, 2%, or as much as 300% or above. So magtikadamo ang kahoy, magtikadamo ang water sa imong kahoy, magtitika affect na sa weight sa imong kahoy. So magtitika, mabugat man ang imong kahoy. So weight of water in wood will also be weight of particular moisture content minus 0, or oven dry weight of wood or WO over oven dry weight times 100. Now sa mo ning pagkuha ning WO or oven dry weight, simply imo lang i-dry ang imong piece of wood, dry nimo sa imong oven in a particular temperature until such time nga dili na siya mag-lose of moisture. Mao na gyud ang iyang pinaka-dry nga weight or oven dry weight. Okay? So, I want you to go directly to the summary formula sa inyong module. This summary formulas is our basis in computation for percent moisture content problems na inyong maagian during your final exam. Okay? So, during final exam, prepare lang mo ani nga inyong summary formulas because this will be your guide in computation. Number 1 formula, weight of water. WW is called weight of water. Weight of water is equal to WM or weight at particular moisture content. WM could be 1%, 2%, 3%, 20, 30, 40, etc. Depende sa akong ihatag nga problem ninyo. WM or weight at particular moisture content minus WO. WO is ang atong oven dry weight. Number 2, weight of water can also be shown using this formula. WW is equals to WO times M, sabutan M, ang moisture content. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 30, 50, etc. over 100. So makuha nimo, makompute nimo ang imong weight of water or ang kabugaton sa tubig na nasa kahoy if may given nga weight ana nga particular moisture content minus ang imong oven dry weight. Remember, dili ka makakompute og ani dinhi nga mga required if at least wala kay duha nga given. Kailangan ka at least may duha nga given values in order for you to compute one particular parameter. Okay? So again, ikaduha na formula for weight of water is equal to oven dry weight. I-multiply nimo sa unsa nga moisture content M over 100. Ikatulo. So this is formula for M. M is percent moisture content. You can get moisture content M if you have given a weight of water or oven dry weight. So M is equals to weight of water over WO times 100. Now, dili mo makuha weight of water if wala ka aning formula. WM minus WO. Remember, going back to formula number 1. Okay? So, ang number 3 formula, on this one, M is equals to WW over WO times 100 can also be illustrated by M is equal to WM minus WO over WO times 100. Okay? Number 4. You can also use this formula if you want to find M or the percent moisture content. M is equals to bracket, close open parenthesis, close open bracket, weight at particular moisture content over oven dry weight minus 1 times 100. So for the first and second formula, ang imo nang ginbibiling ang weight of water or ang kabugaton sa tubig nga naa sa kahoy. Ang ikatulo ug ikaupat na formula, ang imong ginbibiling ang percent moisture content nga naa sa kahoy. Okay? Again, different ha. Ang 1, 2 formula is for the weight kabugaton sa tubig. While ang 3 ug 4 is ang moisture content percent moisture content. Ha? Number 5 formula is weight at particular moisture content. So, okay, then ato weight particular moisture content. This is very important nga. Remember ninyo nga formula. Okay. Weight particular moisture content. Now, WM is equal to WO, close open, parenthesis, close open bracket, 1 plus M over 100. Then the last formula is for oven dry weight. Ibibiling niyo oven dry weight. Oven dry weight is equal to WM, weight particular moisture content, over 1 plus M over 100. Simula lang na, timan-an ninyo. Again, summary, the first two formula, if you want to determine the weight of water, 3 and 4 formula, you can use it. Again, you can use, for the weight of water, you can use either number 1 or number 2. Okay? Tapos, for in determining moisture content, you can either use number 3 formula or number 4. And for number 5, imong ginbibiling at weight at particular moisture content. Okay? And number 6, the formula is used if you want to know the oven dry weight of the wood. Again, ayaw kalimot, dili ka makakompute ani nga mga required if at least wala kay duha nga given nga values. Kailangan at least nagyud kay duha nga given values in order for you to compute. Okay? Now, in order for you to fully understand, let us give an example, sample computation. Let's take a look at this example. Now, for example, an apitong puno ng kahoy, an apitong piece of wood measuring 2 cm by 2 cm by 50 cm na nga bugaton weighs 120 grams. Okay? After oven drying, its weight was reduced to 96 grams. So, ang required is compute for the weight of water na nasa kahoy and the percent moisture content. Now, para ang unang ana, yung bubuhaton, para di mo malisang, is to first analyze the problem. After analyzing the problem, you state what is asked, compute for, and ang ikaduha, write the given. Ano man ang mga given ng mga values na pwede na itong magamit din. Now again, ang ginbibiling niya is ang weight of water. Okay? Now for weight of water, ang given nato is may da kita 2 cm by 2 cm by 50 cm. That is dimension of the piece of wood. That is very important when you're computing for volume. Ano pa mang given na to? May nakita given nga 120 grams. So, ng 120 grams, that is ang atong WM. Ikatulo, if you analyze the problem, so after oven drying, its weight was reduced to 96 grams. So, pasabot na, ang ato nga oven dry weight is equals to 96 grams. Okay? If you analyze the problem, so may nakita given there is ato nga problem. Nga una, may da dimension. Okay? Ikaduha, may da timbang. Duha. So, pag-determine mo, isang 120 grams. So, ang pasabot na, that is the fresh weight of that piece of wood, 120 grams. Naka-state there, after oven drying, gin-dry ang wood, na-reduce siya into 96 grams. So definitely, this 96 grams is your oven dry weight of wood, while your 120 grams is your fresh weight or your WM. Now, ginbibiling dire, ang weight of water, kabugaton siya yung tubig na nasa kahoy, ay kaduha ang percent moisture content. We only know ang kabugaton ana nga moisture content. Pero wa ta kahibaw pila ang iyang percent moisture content. Mao nang ato nga bilingon nga paagi ani nga ato nga problem. So first, let us compute first for weight of water. Now, balik ka nga sa imong summary formula. Kung sa man dito nga mga formula na pwede natong magamit ang ato nga para ma-compute ang weight of water. Kita na itong balik dari sa number 1. Number 1, the weight of water is equals to WM minus WO. May na ba kita WM? Check. May na ba kita WO? May na iha. So, you can use formula number 1 to compute for A. Weight of water is equal to WM minus WO. So, just substitute before the values. We have 120 grams minus 96 grams. We have weight of water is equal to, so we have 24 grams. Ano lang sa iyo? Answer na para sa number 1. Okay, ano? 1 is the weight of water. We have 24 grams. Okay? So, ito lang natutiwasan kay happy lang tayo. We will continue with how to compute for person moisture content. Aning example number 1 sa next nga ito nga video. Okay. Lapit na maputo. Okay?